The innovator's quandary. How to have compassion for Luddites. As futurist technologists and innovators, we always know our favorite stalwarts of the status quo are going to come and try and rain on our parade with their fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and do anything that they can to resist. They may have the last laugh as we invent Skynet or a black hole in the center of the earth in some physics experiment gone bad and we instantly are squished to the size of a head of a pin, but no one will be laughing then. Until that time, futurist technologists and innovators, we're doing our best to prepare ourselves for the eventual alien invasion. But in all seriousness, if you think about when the Luddites came and they smashed the factories and the weaving looms and went up to the factory gates, factories and the mechanization of the human workforce has turned into wealth inequality. It turned into factories with dirty conditions, child labor. It took over 100 years to work on the working conditions for the people in those jobs. Now, we really need to look at things from the future standpoint. If we are trying to invent and better the future for humanity and our technology at the expense of ruining people's lives, of increasing that wealth gap even more, then what are we doing? Look at it from the other side. Have compassion and empathy for those people and use them as a mirror, as a way of judging whether or not the quality of our actions moving forward makes sense. Because it doesn't matter how much they resist, because we always know that in the end,
resistance is futile.